Okay, before we set off, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Ford Ranger. First of all, we go to settings, then onto Bluetooth, then we're watching out at the bottom, over to the system. It's on navigation at the moment, but whatever, we click home, brings up the menu at the bottom, click phone, pair phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
So Ford Ranger, select. Thinking
Confirm
about
that
it.
the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
It's generated a random pin, so pair and yes. Allow contacts and favourites to sync.
For
Allow.
your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated feature
So
while
there
your
you go.
vehicle is in motion.
Ford Ranger connected. Barry's iPhone 13 Pro connected successfully. Automatic contact download. Finish. So saying it don't have access to text, but that doesn't matter to me. So that's it. That's how you pair your mobile.